Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the card view in Jetpack Compose. So for this I have just done the regular basic setup of my project. I'm having a simple compose activity. In this I'm having the set content, I have set up my theme, and there is a function greeting, and it's a composable function. We can remove this, and this is a normal function. In this I have taken a column with modifier, horizontal alignment and vertical arrangement. Also you can, if you want to just open a simple empty compose activity or empty compose project, you can just do it by new project, and just selecting the empty compose activity you can do it this how, and it will give you the function, and you can try it whatever you want, or you can make your custom project or function. So to show how we can use card in Jetpack Compose, just take simple card. In this you can take modifier dot, you can take padding. I am taking the 10 dp, and in card if you want to see the parameters which can pass, we can pass the modifier, we can pass shape, background color, content color. Background color is just to give the background to the our card view. We can use content color to give the color to the content. We can use the border, and we can use the elevation, and then the content is here. So I have taken the modifier and given it a padding. I am taking the size of the card, I am taking it as 200.dp, and then we have to take the content inside it. I am taking text should be I am an Android developer. Okay, let's see how it looks. Let's start with it, and then we will see what other things we can do with the card. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, let me give it some of the elevation we can give. I'm going to give it 10 dp of elevation, and now let's see how it looks. And after the elevation, you guys see this is the elevation. Right now you see the content is not in the center. For this we can use a box inside the card and give it a modifier dot padding. I'm going to give it 10 dp of padding. Then in box, we can give the content alignment and alignment dot center. I'm giving it, and you can just simply do it this way, and now you will see how it will look, and the content will be in center. Yeah, see, this is how we can manage the content in a card. And now let's see the other elements in the card. We can also give the shape to the card. If you want, we can give it the circle shape, and you can give it the whatever shape you want. You can give it rectangle shape, you can give it round corner shape, you can give it cut corner shape. This is the circle shape. If you want rounded corner shape, you can also give it. If you want to give the corners a particular size, you can give it. I am trying to give it a 10 dp, and let's see how it looks. Okay, and also after the shape, if you want, you can give the border, like see this is how the card will look like. It's in rounded corner. If you want to give it the border to the card, you can also give it. This is also border. You can then just simply for example, in the previous, when we were doing the image, circular image box and everything, we can do it the same way. You can do the same border stroke you can use to give the border, and we can use color dot black if we want. We will use it. Then let's see how it will look. So the card view is simple. Let's see how it is looking with the border. And also, if you want, you can give the padding to the content or anything. And after this, we can use, like we are using a simple text view. If you want, we can use multiple text views here as well. And if you don't want to, like for example, if I use this, and if I'm not using the box, okay, and see, we can use multiple. Let me try this way. I want to see how it will work. So we can use multiple views inside the card. Okay, so we can give it a padding modifier dot padding of 10 dp. Okay, 10 dp. Okay, let's see how it looks. We can give the multiple views to the box. Sorry, not the box. We can add the multiple views inside the card view. You see, you can do it. If you want to add an image as well with the here I have used the the box and text. It is text then box. It is arranging them in vertically. If you want, you can use a column or anything you want inside it. And I am using text box scope. If we want, we can use let's try with an image as well. Image, I am having the painter resources. I can use r.drawable.person1 content description person, and let's give it some padding as well. Modifier dot padding of 10 dp. We can add the image as well. If you want to give the different color to the content, we can do that as well. Yeah, see how it will look. We can give the image. Basically, item is like working in this way, like image goes back, then content is coming upon it. And okay, and we can use required size. Let me try if we can use required size, and we can require parent size. Is that we can use? Okay, parent size. Okay, not. Let me try with required size, and it should be 200.dp. I'm giving it. It should cover all complete card. We can try. No, it should be working, but we can manage it. You can try with your on how you want to show. And also we can try with the other property is content color. We have in this content color. Okay, color dot, I am trying red. Let's see how it will reflect. Okay, my both text should be in red. Yeah, so this is how the content color will work. So let's try now. I'm going to try it with let's have the box, and we can try with if you want, you can give it a gradient background as well. I'm using a box, and I can try box. This is the padding. Let's remove the padding. Wait. Let me remove the padding. And the background, I have defined my custom brush dot vertical yellow green gradient. Okay, let's see how it will look. And it should take the gradient. Okay, see, we can also give the background gradient to the card view using a box. And if you want, you can also give some image or anything you want in the card. You can use it. So guys, this is how we can use a card view. I'm just trying to give it some little bit padding here, 10.dp, and let's see, the content should be aligned properly. Yeah, you guys, you can try with giving it elevation of 10 dp, 20 dp, anything you want. You can arrange the content in the card using the box, column, row, anything you want. You can show image view or any text view, anything, basic text field, anything in the card view. And I have used simply card view and then giving it a gradient. If you want, you can see how we can define a gradient. It's a vertical gradient with list of 3 colors, and with the brush you can use it. So this is how we can give the card the background whatever we want. Let me try with the giving it more elevation. Okay, here you can see. So guys, if you want to use the card with box, with image, anything you want, you can use it. And and if you want to make an expandable card, then you can also make it. We are not going to give the full explanation how to create, because sometimes we need to create that custom. And this is all about card, guys. Let me know if you want me to make some more videos on any of the topic in the Jetpack Compose, any specific topic. So that is all about card. You can use it, and let me know how you like the video. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.